Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 9AT and I'm gonna show you how to change picture quality in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left to the settings button so we can open the advanced camera options, and here at the third position we have the picture quality option, so let's pick it. Now we can decide to stay on high, standard or low, and of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible option, which is high. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.